Excited to be back here with Allison. We were just debriefing last year's summit in Chicago, where we had Brian and Lindsay and Molly and Sue and Father Tabang. It was quite dynamic. People who have deployed lots to employee ownership, people that are relatively new, but have new energy to bring and new insights. And that's what we're trying to recreate here on November 12th and 13th in DC. We already have some of the leading investors in employee ownership going to be in the room with us. But Allison has just developed this incredible insight across the ecosystem, across the landscape she's been relating it the past year. Allison, what are you hoping to bring into the room here in November?
Yeah, well, thinking back to last year and the energy and the excitement that there was around this investment strategy that has, life-changing impacts for frontline workers in terms of addressing not only their financial situation and set of opportunities in front of them today, but also intergenerational poverty. And also, it's a strategy that really enables displacing the negative impacts of private equity in our local economies and having this wealth generating opportunity stepping in place of a private equity investment. So the what of in terms of employee ownership, big picture vision and how it really connects to the reasons that we're investing, and the heartfelt desire to have those dollars really have an impactful, create impactful changes in communities. But also the nuts and bolts of who are the funds that are out there, what are the investment opportunities, how do they work, answering the questions about employee ownership and how that works, and being able to leave that room with a feeling of activation, both from a heartfelt perspective and also from a moving your money investment perspective.
And I'm so glad, Allison, your partnership has helped us deploy more than 15 million. More than nine investors in our community have deployed 15 million just in the past 6 months to employee ownership funds. And they're actually going through their investment advisors. We have an increasing number of big banks, big investment advisor consultants that are approving more employee ownership funds on their platform. So I think we're going to see a tremendous growth and innovation over the next decade. But the invitation here is to get in the ground floor with the leading expert, Alison Lingane. She's going to be in the room facilitating. We hope you can join us.